Ah! This is the...
Go.
Nikki and Jamie.
What do we do? What do we do? If you like
Tanisha.
Ow! You shocked me. I said I don't care what you think as long as it's He's eating his fudgesicle. Whose water is this?
Mine.
Is there any water in that fridge right there?
No. Just drink that.
I'm telling you, man, that jacket's the best thing ever happened to us.
I'm gonna sit down. Cause I feel like this is what I do, Where's my phone, buddy boo?
Oh.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Hey, Betsy, it was no go.